Hello friends, welcome to Code Meta Full Forums videos. In this video, we will talk about FMCG Full Forum. What is Full Forum of FMCG? FMCG is a fast moving consumer goods. It is also known as consumer packaged goods (CPD) that includes soft drink, processed food, cosmetics, toilet paper, face toilet, shower cap, toilet soap, etc. Fast moving customer goods is a first form of FMCG which is mostly searched by peoples and asked in competition GK question and answer exams. If we talk about FMCG companies, that is Nestle, Procter, Gamble, PepsiCo, Hindustan Unilever, Amul, Pidilite Industries, Dover India Limited, Imami, Marico, Britannia, Argo, Nirma, Himalaya Healthcare, Haldirams, Bikanerwala, Kevin Care, etc. These companies are FMCG companies. If you are looking for career growth or making your business with these companies, you can include in your goal accordingly. Now, what type of product are sold by these companies? These companies are solding processed foods, beverage, dry goods, paper meals, cosmetics, toilet, medicine, candy, etc. These type of goods are selling. And these are those products which is mostly people buy and use and throw like things, because these foods are already prepared foods and you just need to boil it or use it for your rooms or toilet, etc. Some are use and throw goods, which is hand gloves. If you are talking about medical hand glove, you can use it and throw it. Now, if we talk about characteristics of FMCG products, it is frequent purchase, low cost, no effect to select, comes in wide range, low margin, high distribution network needed, daily delivery, sometimes mandatory to purchase. Now, if we talk about other full form of FMCG, it is, sorry, forget this, it is typo mistake. I made it correct. It is FMCG full forms. Okay, now what is full form of FMCG? For Fast Mason Community Garden, fast moving good customer goods, field managers, course guide, first Manhattan Consulting Group, financial management consulting group. These are mostly useful form of FMCG. You can keep the screen or pause the video and note it into the book, or continue watching the video again and again. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the Code Meta channel on YouTube to get more full forum videos from us and get continue videos on different topics from us to increase your knowledge for your career or earning. See you in next video. Bye bye.